Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update WalletConnect project settings for dApp login, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update WalletConnect project settings for your dApp login, start by navigating to the WalletConnect website. Log in to your WalletConnect account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the dashboard where your projects are listed. Choose the project you want to update by clicking on its name. In the project overview, look for an option labeled Settings or Edit Settings. Click on this option to access the project's configuration. Here, you will find various fields related to your project settings. First, update the project name if necessary to reflect the current changes. Next, check the URL field to ensure it points to the correct website of your dApp. If you have a logo image, upload it in the designated Logo Upload section. Review the description field and make any necessary updates to provide clarity about your dApp's functionality. Scroll down to the Supported Chains section to verify that the blockchain networks you intend to support are selected. If you need to add or remove any chains, adjust the selections accordingly. In the Callback URL field, ensure that it aligns with your dApp's authentication process. This URL is crucial for redirecting users after they complete the login process. Next, review the security settings, updating any necessary parameters such as session timeout or encryption methods. Confirm that the WalletConnect version is set to the most recent stable release. After making modifications, look for a Save or Update button to apply the changes. Click this button to finalize your updates and ensure they take effect. Once saved, it's advisable to test the dApp login functionality to confirm successful implementation. Incorporate feedback from testing to make further adjustments if needed. Now, your WalletConnect project settings are up to date for optimal dApp login experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.